Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to refund a game in Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Refunding a game on Steam may be necessary if the game doesn't meet expectations, has technical issues, or doesn't run properly in your system. Now here I'm going to show you how to do just that. So first things first. What we are going to do is just click the Help button here, and then we're going to go ahead and click Steam Support. After clicking on the Steam Support, you should be able to see here all the recent products that you have purchased. In my case, I haven't purchased anything yet. So what I'm going to do is basically show you some example. Say for example, you have purchased this one here. You're going to just go ahead and click this one. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see what problem are you having with this product. So here there are a lot of options that you're going to see here. In my case, I don't have the option that I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you a picture to show you what I mean. So what we are looking for here is two things. First, you have to see there. It's not what I expected. You can either click that one, or you can also click the second one here, which is I purchased this by accident. So either of the two is going to be okay. You just have to click which of the two. After clicking on that one, you should be able to see this option here. The first option says help me fix gameplay or technical issues. And the second one is I'd like to request a refund. So say for example, you want to have your refund. You're going to go ahead and click the latter option. After doing so, you should be able to follow the prompt, and then Steam will be giving you your refund. So that's basically how you can refund a game in Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.